Hey guys, my name's Jackson Luria, and we are from Southern California at Carlsbad High School, and we're super excited to come out to see you guys in July and work and teach with you guys.
I'm Keegan Hughes, and I cannot wait to teach you guys broadcasting.
Yeah, I'm Thomas Mulligan. It's going to be a blast getting to meet all of you guys and come see the European culture.
Yeah, I'm Ben Hampton. I can't wait to teach you guys everything about broadcasting.
I'm Tristan, and I'm super excited.
I'm Nathan, and I can't wait to meet you all.
I'm Cassie, and I'm super excited to meet you all and teach you all that we know.
I'm Ella, and I can't wait to share my skills and hopefully help you find your passion.
I'm Lynn. I'm excited to help and learn.
And there's one thing we want to say from the bottom of our hearts to you guys. Deal!